Remember to exercise and get sunlight for vitamin D and eat foods rich in calcium. This is your goal, stand tall and deadline.
Liza, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kakay! Oh, happy birthday ko ako. Mama, happy birthday mo na ako sa Kakay.
Oh, sige. Happy birthday, Kakay. Happy birthday, Kakay. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Mama,
Oh, sabi na si Papa. Dili.
hello. Kabote na ako eh. Bye-bye.
Ano? Alin? Yung alin? Aray! Yan na. Tapos na.
Oh.